आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
In this question, we have to name two types of cells in which the HIV multiplies after gaining entry into the human body. Now over here, HIV stands for human immunodeficiency virus, and it is a causative agent of a very deadly disease which is commonly known as AIDS, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. This is one of the most well-known STDs or sexually transmitted diseases, and we often see that there might be a time lag between the entry of this virus into our body and the appearance of symptoms. In some cases it is seen that symptoms appear up to 10 years later after the infection of HIV. Now what this HIV does, as the name of the disease suggests, it is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. This is going to make the person immunodeficient or destroy our immune system. We all know immune system is there to fight infections in our body. And what this virus does is, first of all, when it enters into our body, it is going to attack the macrophages. Now macrophages are a special type of white blood cells or leukocytes which are known to engulf the foreign particles or the germs, but virus, since it is a parasite, it is going to enter these macrophages. Now inside these macrophages, the RNA of the virus, using the enzyme reverse transcriptase, is going to synthesize some viral DNA. Now this viral DNA gets incorporated into the DNA of the host cell. That is, the macrophage which has been attacked by this virus, the virus is going to incorporate its viral DNA into the host cells, into the macrophage's DNA, and this macrophage now acts as an HIV factory, because after being incorporated into the DNA, it directs the macrophage to produce more virus particles. Now at the same time, this virus is also attacking our T lymphocyte cells. These lymphocytes are again a type of white blood cell which are involved in the cell-mediated immune response of our body, and they also help the B lymphocytes to produce antibodies to fight the infections. Now even inside these T lymphocytes, the virus is again directing them to produce more progeny, more virus particles, which are in turn going to attack the other T lymphocytes and more macrophages. Now over time, after all of these T lymphocytes and macrophages have been attacked, have been hijacked by the virus, we see that the immune response of the person becomes very weak, because macrophages and T lymphocytes play a very important role in the immune system, and they have now been attacked by this virus. So they are not able to carry out their functions in the immune system, and they only become an HIV factory. They start producing more and more viral particles, virus progeny. So as a result, many of the different pathogens to which a person might be exposed daily start creating infection. Generally what happens is, every person, when they go out of their house, whatever they are doing, they're going to encounter many germs, many different kinds of pathogens in their daily life, but the immune system fights off these infections and they're not able to cause disease. But now, since the person has become immunodeficient because of the attack of HIV virus, all of these pathogens which we are encountering are more likely to create disease. So whether it is another virus, a bacteria, or a fungi, they will affect the person more easily. And this is why AIDS is such a deadly and incurable disease. So the two types of cells in which the HIV or the human immunodeficiency virus multiplies inside our body are the macrophages and the T lymphocytes, and this is why it makes us immunodeficient or destroys our immune system.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।